This is a used 2007 Jeep Compass powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include digital audio input, aluminum rims, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, roof rails, privacy glass, power steering, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, curtain head airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, stability control, a passenger airbag. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ross Ford Mercury is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 1903 North Falls Boulevard, Wynne, Arkansas 72396.